I'm back with another mouth-watering feast, introducing this new family favorite meal. It's a seafood boil in a bag. Let's get started.
Welcome back. Today, we're making my favorite summer dish. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need corn, sausages, potatoes, eggs, and... The first step is to clean our seafood. We have fresh mussels and shrimp here. You want to make sure they're all closed and firm. Our ingredients ready. We've got some beautiful corn, potatoes, and sausage here.
Seasonings to the pot. Let them dissolve slowly as it simmers. This builds a rich, deep flavor. Now it's ready.
Let's add the corn and sausage. Just drop them right in. We'll add the rest of the sausage. Now, give it a gentle stir.
Seafood to the pot. Give it a gentle stir.
All right, this looks perfect. Now, we'll drain it and get it prepped for the next step. All right, now for the fun part. We're gonna add our rich buttery sauce right over the seafood. And then we'll toss in our potatoes, corn, and sausage to make it a complete. Pour in the garlic butter sauce, then toss everything together and let it soak in all that flavor. Wow, everything came together perfectly. Hit the bell below to be the first to see my next one.
Welcome back. Let's make this.
All right, let's fill these up and get them in the oven. If you stayed this long, thanks for cooking with Bree 2K. Also, click the bell to be the first to see the next new video. Now, onto the cocktail.
Let's make a margarita. First, some tequila. Now, the lime juice. Shake it up and pour. All right, let's finish this Don Julio Añejo margarita. Pour it over the ice and garnish with a fresh lime, paired with our seafood boil and cupcakes. Cheers, time to enjoy. Just finished washing all these pots and pans. Now, putting everything away. Whew, wiping off the sweat. This job is not easy. You have to be the chosen one after you know that everything else will follow. Hey everyone, just wiping down after cooking. Cleaning as I go keeps it spotless. Lights off, ambience on. See you next time.